Want the smoothest gameplay, lightning-fast load times, and zero bottlenecks in 2025? Then your RAM better be ready to keep up. Whether you're building a beastly rig or upgrading your current setup, these are the fastest DDR5 RAM kits for gaming in 2025, built to crush multitasking and dominate frame rates. G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 6000 megatransfers per second CL30 AMD Expo. Built specifically for AMD Expo systems, the G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo is a top-tier performer. With a blazing fast speed of 6000 megatransfers per second and tight CL30 to 38 to 38 to 96 timings, it delivers ultra-low latency and rock-solid stability. Not only does it handle high-demand games like a champ, but the matte black finish and vibrant RGB lighting make it a visual centerpiece for any build. Tap the description to check the latest price on the Trident Z5 Neo. Corsair Vengeance DDR5 64GB 5200 MHz CL40 Intel XMP. If you're gaming, streaming, and multitasking all at once, this 64GB Vengeance kit has your back. Clocked at 5200 MHz, it's optimized for Intel XMP setups and offers efficient power delivery at just 1.25 volts. It's not the flashiest, but for raw capacity and rock-solid reliability, it's a pro move, especially for creators and competitive gamers. Link below to see if this powerhouse fits your rig. Kingston Fury Beast RGB 32GB 5200 megatransfers per second 36 clock cycles AMD Expo plus RGB. Kingston's Fury Beast lives up to its name with aggressive styling and synchronized RGB effects that blend perfectly with any build. At 5200 megatransfers per second and CL36, it's a strong performer for both AMD and Intel builds. And thanks to plug-and-play support and infrared sync tech, setup is smooth and visuals are flawless. Click the link in the description for availability. Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 6000 MHz CL30 AMD Expo. For gamers who want both speed and style, the Dominator Platinum RGB is hard to beat. With 6000 MHz speeds, ultra-low CL30 latency, and Corsair's ICUE sync software, this RAM doesn't just perform, it flexes. The premium heatsinks also keep things cool under pressure. If you're building a top-tier AMD system, this one deserves a spot. Hit the description to find out why this is a favorite among elite builders. Crucial Pro DDR 564GB 6400 MHz CL40XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO at 6400 MHz. The Crucial Pro DDR5 is one of the fastest kits you can get today, perfect for high FPS gaming and fast multitasking workflows. It's Intel and AMD compatible, with overclocking support baked right in. Plus, the sleek white finish makes it perfect for themed builds. If you're going for both power and clean aesthetics, this kit nails it. Check the description below for the best deals on Crucial Pro DDR5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more gaming hardware breakdowns.